Assalamu alaikum. Today you'll be watching our second day of our trip to Armenia. It was drizzling a little bit. We were praying that it doesn't rain much so that we could see the places as much as possible. On the way to Temple Ghani, we stopped by. There was an arch view of the meadows from here, so we stopped by to take some pictures and videos, and the view from here was very beautiful. Our next stop was towards Temple Ghani. For adults, the tickets were 1000 drams, and for kids, it was only 100 drams. These stones kept on the sides towards the Ghani temple is around 5000 to 6000 years old. The view of the Gegam mountains was very beautiful from here, and we could also see the Azat river from here. The Ghani temple is one of the famous sites of Armenia. This is the only pagan temple present in Armenia. This temple was devoted to the Greek-Roman gods before Armenia became the Christian country. Outside of the Ghani temple, there were many little shops that were selling jams, honey, Armenian Snickers, and different types of dried fruits. It was very yummy. Our second stop was towards the Symphony of Stones. The Symphony of Stones is only a 10-minute drive from the Ghani temple. It was very hard to believe that these were naturally formed stones. The Symphony of Stones is actually located along the Azat River basin in the village of Ghani. Actually, these wonderful rocks were found under high pressure conditions due to the cooling and crystallization of volcanic lava. After spending a wonderful time around the Azat River, we moved towards the city of Yerevan. So the rest of the day was a city tour. Our first stop at Yerevan was to visit Mother Armenia. We walked around, but I couldn't take much videos from Mother Armenia. And from there we moved towards Vernissage Market. So while I was taking the video of Vernissage Market, a lady came up to me asking whether I need a tour guide to explore Armenia.
Yes. Maybe next time if you have a card, I'll give to my friends who come to Armenia. You have any card or number?
I'll give you, but you photo, yes?
While I was taking the video of her visiting card, tour guide Arthur suddenly came and shooed her away because it affects his business after all. Vernissage Market is an open-air market which sells all kinds of sovereigns, jewelry and different traditional items and handicrafts like ceramics, carved wood and all. But what we had seen was the jewelry, sovereigns and all kind of handicrafts are much cheaper in Sakador and Lake Sivan, Jarmuk and all compared to the ones we get in the city. After that we headed towards the Blue Mosque. The Blue Mosque is one of the oldest structures of the city of Yerevan, and this is the only mosque that is present in Armenia. Then we move towards the gum market. The gum market sells all kinds of dried fruits, nuts, honey, jams, Armenian Snickers, fresh fruits and vegetables and all. And it was a lovely sight to watch, different kinds of dried fruits filled with nuts, and there are also a wide variety of spices, and they sell all these at a very good price. And our final stop was at the Northern Avenue. This is my favorite place in the city of Yerevan. It is an entirely different kind of vibe while we walk through the Northern Avenue. As the day we went there, the people of Armenia were celebrating Halloween, and we could see all kind of Halloween costumes around. While I was busy taking the video, these two girls came from behind and tried to scare me, and I almost screamed by seeing them. We could find kids in Halloween costume in every corner of the Northern Avenue. It was an entirely different vibe over there. There were musicians, there were artists, and there were people selling different kind of costumes, Halloween costumes, and selling little puppies. I just loved every moment while walking through this place. This is the Opera House, and after reaching to the Opera House, we headed back to the hotel. Actually, the only place that I missed visiting in the city of Yerevan was the Cascade. We couldn't walk till there because I was already tired by then. Thank you for watching, and do stay tuned to watch the final part of our visit in Armenia. Thank you. Bye-bye.